In today's video, I'm going to show you how to have a search bar instead of search icon in Shopify. If you want to make your Shopify store more user-friendly, switching from just a small search icon to a visible search bar can be a great idea. A full search bar makes it easier for customers to type and find products quickly without having to click extra buttons. Let's go through how to set this up. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard here. On the left-hand menu, click on Online Store, then select Themes. Find the theme you're currently using and click on Customize. Inside the theme editor, navigate to the header section. Most modern Shopify themes like Dawn or other online store 2.0 themes will give you settings to customize how your search works. If your theme supports it, you'll see an option like Search Type or Search Style. Switch it from icon to search bar. Once you do that, a search bar will appear directly in your store's header. But if your theme doesn't have this built-in option, you can make the change by editing the theme code. To do that, go back to your themes page, click on the three dots next to your live theme, and select Edit Code. Open the header of Liquid file. Look for the section of code that includes the search icon, usually something like %render icon search %. Replace or adjust this code so that it displays the full search form instead. For example, you can insert is less than form action equals search method equals get class equals site header. Search form is greater than is less than input. Type equals search. Name equals queue, placeholder equals search products. Class equals site header, search input is greater than, is less than button type equals submit, class equals site, header, search, button is greater than, search is less than, button is greater than, is less than, form is greater than. This creates a visible search bar with a placeholder text that customers can use immediately. Once you've added this, save your changes and refresh your store. You should now see a full search bar in place of the icon. You can adjust the design using theme settings or by adding custom CSS to make it blend perfectly with your store's style. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.